another video at another site tunaenda kuokea msai camera. This is some 1 inch distance. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Right now we are going to acquire some lights, some pipes. Be with me, stay with me as we do this one. I'm not gonna get Yo guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our another YouTube video. So hapa tulikuwa tumeenda site, tulikuwa tumeitwa na client fulani hapo hivyo, alikuwa ametuambia tukam tumfixie cameras, tumuongezee kamera zingine na tuangalie what's the issue with the cameras zenye alikuwa amewekewa previously before us. So hapa hivi tumefika. First of all tunaenda tuangalie site review, then I'm going to explain what was done by the other technician was there and what us was done. So stay tuned, stay with me as we do this things together. So guys, as you can see, kuna camera hapo tuna change. We're going to change that Ethernet cable. Imagine that person aliweka Ethernet cable and it's not an AP camera. That's the other camera. So after doing the site review, so my other colleague with Kentech, he was measuring the exact length of the cables from the cameras to the DVR and the power supply. So as they were doing that, so me nitaingia ndani niende niweke install DVR hizo vitu zote. As wao wanaendelea hapa nje, I'm gonna catch up with them later and I'm gonna show you what they have done as me nikifanya huko ndani. So stay with me, let's do things together. Guys, here I'm going to change this 4-channel DVR into a 8-channel DVR two-way audio. So I'm going to take you through what I'm going to do. As you see what I'm going to do, me and you together. So let's do it. So guys, what I'm trying to do here is simple. I'm going to remove the hard disk on the 4 channel DVR. Hii mnaona nikitoa hapa, nitatoa hiyo hard disk kwa hii 8 channel DVR. So that's technically what I'm going to do. So let's do it. So guys, the process of transferring the hard disk from the old DVR into the new DVR is done. So what I'm going to do now is to peel the cables, the coaxial part of them. I peel them, I fix the BNCs in order to fit into the DVR. So let's do it together. So guys, as we are winding up further, putting the BNCs, now we should now jump over, now put in the power supply cables from the cameras into the power supply system. So let's do it together again and again. inside. Now let's go outside to see what others are doing, to see what's Ken doing and the other guy there with.
Secured today by Cctv Solutions. Oh yeah boys, ultimate mistake yoyote hapo hivyo. Wewe unaitwa baba nani? Wewe unaitwa baba? Ati wewe limuta? Niliambiwa tuache kupea. Niliambiwa tuache kupea watoto. Imagine hivi na ukiwa na hapa.
You agree? Anyway, we've done the installation. So now what we're going to do right now is the configuration. As you can see there, Ken is very tired. We are all tired. Guys, now we've come into the end of our site of our job today. So it has been good. It has been good working with you guys. We've now done everything that it is needed to be done. The site is okay. The cameras are seeing the way the client wants. It has been nice. Till to the next one. Peace.